Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the left part of the lesson Jalebi of It So Happen. My dear students, please pay your attention. Munna sat under a tree near the railway tracks. He started thinking about his miserable condition. The matter had looked simple and straightforward. This was because he could pay the fees with the scholarship money. If he had known that he would get the scholarship next month, he would not have bought jalebis. Now he was absent from school for the first time because of the jalebis. He felt like crying. He started thinking about his fees and his teacher's cane. He closed his eyes and began to pray. Munna prayed to God to help him. He said that he was a very good boy. He was memorized the entire namaz. He even knows the last 10 surahs of the Quran by heart. He can recite the entire Ayat al Quraisi. He needed money for his school fees. He made a mistake, but he was not alone to eat jalebis. He fed them to a large number of children. He prayed to God to put only 4 rupees in his bag. There was no shortage of anything in God's treasury. He was asking only for 4 rupees. After the prayer, he offered namaz. He also recited 10 surahs, Ayat al Quraisi, etc. Then he blew over his bag, saying, Chu. But he was disappointed when he didn't find even 4 pies in his bag. He felt like crying as loudly as he could. He was very tired. He got up from there and walked to the bazaar. He waited for the school bell to ring. He would go home with other children. He wanted to show that he had come straight from school. The next day also he did the same thing. He again prayed to God to give him 4 rupees. Munna suggested the God to play a game. He would go from here to the signal. God should secretly place 4 rupees under that big rock. He will touch the signal and come back. It will be a great fun if he could find 4 rupees under the rock. He went to the signal and come back. He said Bismillah and lifted the rock. He found a big hairy worm under it. He screamed and ran away. Once again he touched the signal. He was about to leave. He once again looked At the rock, he saw the worm sitting on it and staring at him. While going, he was thinking of doing wuju the next day. He will wear clean clothes and come here. He will keep reading the namaz till noon. Even then, if God does not give 4 rupees, he will make a deal. The report of his absence from school had reached home later on. He kept on thinking if there could be any harm if God had sent him 4 rupees. He realized if God gave everything for asking, man will be no better than birds. He will not learn to do anything. This is because he will get everything without effort. Thank you.